Hello dear respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Dr. Ridwan Media. As always, I am here before you again. What is life? Life is a continuous process of struggle. Sometimes we win and sometimes we defeat it. It doesn't matter. We have to set up a burning desire in our mind. We have to take part in the struggle. Then we will get prosperity in our life. None can stop you. You have to create burning desire and extreme desire. We know that extreme desire can make everything possible. আমরা জানি তীব্র ইচ্ছাকাঙ্ক্ষা অসম্ভবকে সম্ভব করে। আর এজন্য আমরা সফলতার জন্য আমরা লেগে থাকব। ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা সফল হবই। Okay, next time see you again in my another videos. Stay with us. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.